Hello everyone, this will tell you how to identify whether the user is already signed in or not. If the user is already signed in, then we'll get data, or otherwise we won't get, by using onAuthStateChanged. Okay, in previous video I have explained how to do Google sign in. I'll give that video link in this video description. See that and then continue this. Yeah, let's start. So after this I'm going to create one user fact. I'll just trigger when the page is open, and here on auth state changed, so it is imported here. For this we need to pass this auth and we'll get data, user data. Okay, here I'll just console the user data, this data, paste that, save this. So in previous video I already signed in, so we'll get data. See, we got, what data is that? I'll just reload. See, we got user data. So I'm going to set this data in one state, const user set user. Okay, use state and copy that here, copy the user data and paste it here. So I'll just console this user. Before this return, this is state. Okay, save this. I'll just do reload. User data is initially empty, so after that we get data from that. Okay, so just identify if this user is having data, then I'll display username like that, else I'll display this login button. Sorry, so this user having data and display name. Okay, so user dot display name. See, this button is not showing, I mean this sign in button. Okay, so I displayed like this. So in this way we can identify whether the user is already signed in or not. Okay, in next video I'll show you how to sign out the user. Yep, this is what I had to do in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.